Hello everyone. Today I am going to demonstrate you a software developed by Gupta Labs DAIICT, that is DNACloud version 3.14. To download it, first of all you need to search Gupta Lab DAICT on Google. Then you need to click on the URL of guptalab.org. After clicking on it, you will be redirected to homepage of Gupta Labs. To download it, you need to click on resources option. After clicking on it, you will be redirected to this page. You need to click on DNACloud, a tool for storing big data on DNA. Now as you can see, we are on the home page of DNACloud software. You can go to downloads to download it. So now as you can see, I have downloaded DNACloud software into my device, and now I am going to open this executable file. You need to allow its permission. You need to select any of this language. I am going to select English language during the installation process. Now you can read this license agreement, and then you can accept the agreement, and then you can click on next option. You can browse it wherever you want to store this folder, and then click on next. If you want to create a desktop shortcut, you may create it. I am going to create it right now. And then you need to click on install. So now DNACloud has been set up in my device, and now I'm going to launch it. So now as you can see, we have downloaded the software, and now we are going to use it. So as you can see, there are 6 options mentioned in the taskbar. The first one is the files menu. In the files menu, you can see there are 3 options: encode, decode and exit. To encode any file, you need to click on encode, or else there is a shortcut key Ctrl plus E. Now you need to select any of the file which you want to encode it. I am going to select a 8K picture. Now you need to select any of the 2 options. You need to encode it by Gole algorithm or Goldman algorithm. I am going to encode it using Gole algorithm. Now as you can see, encoding of the file is going to complete. So now it is completed, and now you can see a DNAC file will be created at that place. You can see the DNAC file which has size of 114 MB, and that is just modified right now. Now to decode it, you need to go into the files option, and you need to click on decode option. You need to select the DNAC file that is being created just now, and you need to select the same algorithm by which you have encoded it. So I have encoded it using Gole, so I'm going to decode it by Gole algorithm. So now the process has begun to decode that DNAC file. As you can see, the file is being decoded. So now you can go to the same directory where you have stored it, and this was the picture that I have encoded and decoded it again. So you can see we get the same quality of picture by encoding and decoding the file. We have also made tools for storage as well as cost estimator. If this algorithm will estimate an approximate storage that will be required to store this file on your device. Let's say if I want to encode this file, then I can get the number of bytes of storage that will be required to store it when I will encode it using Goldman algorithm. As well as you can change it to Gole, and you can see the storage size that is being required. We have also developed a cost estimator that can estimate the approximate cost per DNA. As you can see, by changing the price of cost per DNA, you can have an approximate cost of that file. You can also follow us on GitHub main page, GitHub, LinkedIn, Twitter, as well as YouTube page. You can contact us via email ID or via Gupta Lab page. You can also have user manual, product demo, as well as a product feedback form. So when you will click on product feedback form, this feedback form will get open, in which you can fill your queries, your comments, as well as your feedback about DNACloud version 3.14 software. And also you can get to know about us who have developed this software. So this was our software DNACloud 3.14. Thank you very much.